Deep in the Nevada desert, nestled between barren mountains and a dry lakebed, lies a place shrouded in mystery and intrigue. This place is not just any ordinary location. It is a site that has sparked the curiosity and imagination of people around the world. Known as Area 51, this heavily guarded military base has captivated the public imagination for decades. Its very name evokes a sense of secrecy and the unknown. What goes on within its tightly sealed borders? Why the intense secrecy? These questions have lingered in the minds of many, leading to a plethora of theories and speculations. These questions have fueled countless theories and speculations, turning Area 51 into a magnet for conspiracy theorists and UFO enthusiasts. People from all walks of life have been drawn to this enigmatic site, hoping to catch a glimpse of the unknown. The mere mention of Area 51 conjures up images of clandestine government operations, advanced technology beyond human comprehension, and perhaps even contact with extraterrestrial beings. The allure of the unknown has made Area 51 a focal point for those who believe in the extraordinary. The base has been the subject of numerous books, documentaries, and even a Hollywood blockbuster, each attempting to shed light on its enigmatic nature. These works have only added to the mystique, providing various interpretations and theories about what might be happening behind those guarded fences. Yet, despite the intense interest, Area 51 remains an enigma, its secrets closely guarded by the United States government. The tight security and restricted access have only fueled the fire of curiosity and speculation. The truth, as is often the case, is likely a complex mix of mundane military activities and highly classified research programs. While some believe in the extraordinary, others suggest that the base is simply a site for advanced military testing and development. However, the veil of secrecy surrounding Area 51 has created a breeding ground for speculation, blurring the line between fact and fiction. The lack of concrete information has allowed myths and legends to flourish. It is in this realm of uncertainty that the legend of Area 51 continues to thrive. The mystery and intrigue surrounding the base have made it a symbol of the unknown, a place where the boundaries of reality and imagination blur. What we do know is that Area 51 is a highly classified facility, its true purpose shrouded in mystery. The government's tight-lipped approach has only added to the allure, making it a subject of endless fascination. The government's reluctance to acknowledge its existence for many years only served to fuel speculation. For decades, the very mention of Area 51 was met with denial and secrecy, further deepening the mystery. Even today, with its existence officially confirmed, the activities within Area 51 remain largely unknown. The base continues to operate under a shroud of secrecy, with little information available to the public. This lack of transparency has only added to the intrigue, making Area 51 a symbol of government secrecy and a lightning rod for those who believe the truth is being kept from us. The mystery of Area 51 endures, captivating the minds of those who seek to uncover its secrets. The story of Area 51 begins in the early 1950s, at the height of the Cold War. This was a time of intense geopolitical tension, where the world seemed to be on the brink of a nuclear confrontation. With tensions escalating between the United States and the Soviet Union, the need for intelligence gathering became paramount. Both superpowers were locked in a high-stakes game of espionage, each trying to outmaneuver the other. The Soviets, with their newly acquired nuclear capabilities, posed a significant threat, and the US needed a way to monitor their activities. The fear of a surprise nuclear attack loomed large, and accurate intelligence was crucial to national security. It was against this backdrop that the CIA, in collaboration with Lockheed Martin, embarked on a top-secret project to develop a high-altitude reconnaissance aircraft. This project was so secretive that only a handful of people knew of its existence. This aircraft, later known as the U-2 spy plane, was designed to fly at altitudes exceeding 70,000 feet, far above the reach of Soviet fighter jets and surface-to-air missiles. Its ability to capture high-resolution images from such heights made it an invaluable asset. To develop and test this revolutionary aircraft, a remote and secluded location was needed, one that would provide both secrecy and ample airspace. The search for such a location was meticulous and required a place that was both isolated and secure. The search for such a location led to a remote dry lakebed known as Groom Lake, situated within the Nevada Test and Training Range. This area was chosen for its vast, uninhabited expanse and its proximity to existing military infrastructure. This desolate expanse, already used for atomic testing, provided the perfect cover for a clandestine aviation program. The isolation ensured that prying eyes would be kept at bay, and the vast open space allowed for extensive testing. Thus, in 1955, Area 51 was born. This secretive base would become the epicenter of some of the most advanced and classified aviation projects in history. Officially designated as Paradise Ranch to deter attention, the base was quickly established with a rudimentary airstrip and a handful of facilities. The name was chosen to make the location sound more appealing to potential workers. Lockheed's engineers and test pilots, sworn to secrecy, set to work on the U-2. These individuals were pioneers, pushing the boundaries of what was possible in aviation technology. The program was shrouded in such secrecy that even the families of those involved were kept in the dark about the true nature of their work. The stakes were incredibly high, and the success of the U-2 program was critical to maintaining the balance of power during the Cold War. In the summer of 1947, an event occurred that would forever link Area 51 with the possibility of extraterrestrial life. Near the town of Roswell, New Mexico, debris from a crashed object was recovered, sparking widespread speculation about a downed UFO. While the government initially claimed the wreckage was from a weather balloon, the Roswell incident, as it came to be known, has since become a cornerstone of UFO lore. The association between Area 51 and the Roswell incident stems from the belief that the recovered debris, rumored to include bodies of extraterrestrial beings, was transported to the Nevada base for analysis. This theory suggests that Area 51 became a repository for captured alien technology, a place where the government could study and potentially reverse engineer extraterrestrial craft. Fueling these rumors were reports of unusual activity at Area 51 following the Roswell incident. Locals reported seeing strange lights in the sky and increased military presence around the base. These observations, coupled with the government's tight-lipped response, only served to solidify the connection between Area 51 and the alleged UFO crash. While the government maintains that the Roswell incident was nothing more than a downed weather balloon, the event continues to be a source of intense speculation. The possibility that Area 51 holds the secrets of the Roswell crash and perhaps even evidence of extraterrestrial life remains a tantalizing prospect for believers. Area 51 is perhaps best known for its extreme security measures, rivaling that of any other military installation in the world. The base is shrouded in mystery and speculation, but one thing is certain: its security protocols are second to none. The base is surrounded by miles of barren desert, making it nearly impossible to approach undetected. This natural barrier is the first line of defense, deterring any would-be intruders from even attempting to get close. Warning signs posted along the perimeter clearly state that the area is off-limits and that deadly force is authorized to prevent unauthorized entry. These signs are a stark reminder of the serious consequences of trespassing. Patrolling the perimeter are armed guards, often referred to as camo dudes due to their camouflage fatigues and unmarked vehicles. These guards are not just for show. They are a critical component of the base's security apparatus. These guards are highly trained and have a reputation for being extremely vigilant, quick to apprehend anyone who ventures too close. Their presence alone is enough to deter most intruders, but they are always ready to act if necessary. Adding to the formidable security are electronic surveillance systems, motion sensors, and even buried sensors designed to detect any attempt at infiltration. These high-tech measures ensure that no one can approach the base without being detected. The airspace above Area 51 is equally restricted, designated as a no-fly zone for both civilian and military aircraft. This ensures that no unauthorized aerial surveillance can take place. Any aircraft straying into this restricted airspace is quickly intercepted and escorted out by fighter jets stationed at nearby Nellis Air Force Base. These jets are always on high alert, ready to respond at a moment's notice. The measures taken to secure Area 51 underscore the sensitive nature of the activities taking place within its borders. The base's security is not just about keeping people out, it's about protecting the secrets within. The government's willingness to go to such lengths to protect its secrets only serves to fuel speculation about what exactly is being hidden from the public eye. The mystery surrounding Area 51 has led to countless theories and stories, each more intriguing than the last. The message is clear. Area 51 is not a place for the curious or the adventurous. The risks far outweigh any potential rewards, and the consequences of trespassing are severe. It is a place where secrecy reigns supreme, and any attempt to breach its defenses is met with swift and decisive action. The security measures in place are a testament to the importance of the work being done at Area 51, whatever that may be. Over the years, Area 51 has become a symbol of government secrecy and the unknown. Its history is filled with tales of advanced technology, secret projects, and unexplained phenomena. The base's security measures have evolved over time, becoming more sophisticated and impenetrable. Today, the security at Area 51 is more advanced than ever, incorporating the latest technology to ensure that its secrets remain hidden. From drones to biometric scanners, the base is equipped with state-of-the-art systems designed to detect and deter any potential threats. Even under the cover of darkness, Area 51 remains a fortress. Nighttime security patrols and advanced surveillance systems ensure that the base is protected 24/7. The level of security is a clear indication of the value placed on the activities conducted within its confines. While the true nature of the work at Area 51 remains a closely guarded secret, the extensive security measures speak volumes. Whether it's advanced aircraft, cutting-edge technology, or something even more extraordinary, one thing is certain. Area 51 is a place where the unknown thrives. As the sun sets over the Nevada desert, Area 51 stands as a testament to the lengths the government will go to protect its secrets. The base remains one of the most secure and mysterious places on Earth, a place where the line between reality and speculation is often blurred.